Another day, another record high for the market. So take a look as to where we're perched this Wednesday morning. It's 13,100 on the index. In fact, the Nifty has gained quite smartly, close to 80 plus points in trade, quoting at about 13,140 levels. And that's exactly what the pre-open rates were indicating as well, that it would have been a fairly solid start to the markets. Do remember, you did have a massive surge coming in across the globe. The Dow as well surged to a new record. You had the Asian markets as well, which were pretty much in the green, and indications of a solid start were underway. But no one would have imagined that yet again we're at a record level on the index. And you've got the Sensex as well, which is perched higher by nearly 260 points, 44,786. And the broader markets are seeing a far more measured performance in today's trading session. So up nearly 0.2% for the mid-cap index, while the small-cap index is holding out by nearly 0.5%. You've clearly got the Nifty Bank, which is continuing to be the big supporter of the markets this morning. The Nifty Bank has gained quite smartly, nearly 1% or so in today's trading session. And the PSU banking index is really where all the action is. That index is already up about 3% in the morning ticks. You've got media, metals, infrastructure, pharmaceuticals, all of those sectors powering through, and a little bit of red, but albeit it's very marginally on the IT index. That's down a tad in today's trading session. So let's check in on those banking stocks then that are off to a fairly solid start. And you've got green coming in across the board. So Bank of Baroda leading the way, a lot of those PSU banks. So PNB doing well, RBL, Bandhan Bank is up, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, all of those stocks are in fine fettle. But other than that, a lot of the constituents on the frontline index are having a terrific run this morning. ONGC yet again in the top position, up the top Nifty gain up about 5%. Tata Motors doing very well. Remember, there was a CLSA report, very bullish on the counter with a 221 rupee target price thereabouts. Hindalco in the green, GAIL, Grasim, Tata Steel, SBI Life, Bajaj Auto, IOC, and where's Reliance Industries? Yes, indeed, in the green, up nearly 0.7% at 1979. On the flip side though, Tech Mahindra looking a bit weak, HCL Tech, Infosys, so a lot of those IT names, while Asian Paints as well as Eicher Motors are a little bit tempered in today's trading session. Some of the stocks as well that are in news today, you've got Muthoot. Remember, the RBI has not acceded the proposed acquisition of IDBI Mutual Fund. IRB Infrastructure has got the certificate of completion for the Agra Etawah BOT project. JP Morgan's come out with its report on Nalco with an underweight rating and a target price at about 31 rupees per share. You've also got something like Mphasis, like Reliance Industries. Alphabet's Google has paid about 33,700 crores for a 7.3% stake in the company, and Tata Motors, of course, on fire with that CLSA note. Just checking in on the broader markets as well, and lots of action. So lots of green being spotted on a number of stocks. The list is quite extensive at that. IOB, Indiabulls Housing, ONGC, the future group of stocks, Kalpatarupa, KEI, Finolex Cables, UCO Bank, Chambal Fert. Those are some of the outperformers today. But all in all, a great